Hello again. So on this video I'm just putting together, reassembling another ps3 k03. So first what we got to do, put the little power thing back in, the power socket just clicks in, easy. Then got my heat sinks, this one, oh yeah, that's it, like this. Exactly, I got it right. It's like that. So this one goes in like that. This one goes in like that. Should just put that. That's it. I'm not sitting down. I'm struggling a bit now. I'm struggling a bit. I should just go in like that. My foil was a bit bent. Foil's a bit bent, so I'm just gonna. If that was like that, I should just slot into those holes. Right. Oh yeah. Oh, it's because this has got a bit burnt down. That's it. That's locked down. Did it? And this one, I think the foil's bent again. The fins bent. This goes like this. There. I'm sure that was it. Yeah, that's it. Now we got the back frame. It goes like that. So we got this little piece at the back. And this little piece here. Wait a minute. No, it does go like that. Just quite get that in. So this goes down first. This goes first, that's it. Then your fan goes in here. And it was like this. That's it. There's a little key there. And then the back plate goes down here. That's it. I washed this off. Hard disk is on this side. Nice and clean. Goes down. That's it. Oh, you know what I didn't do? Let's just gotta sit down and do the screws. There are 3 screws on here. Oh, wait a minute. Let's that one out. That looks like there's only 2 there. There's definitely one there. One here. That goes in there. And there's 3 around the fan. there. So that's 1, 2, 3. 1. Must be a longer screw in there. I think that might be. Okay, some screw bit. I think. Oops, got that right wrong way. That's it. What's that last? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is the, oh yeah, here's the earth. This is the earth screw. This is the earth screw. Wow, it's beautiful. That should go underneath there, I think. That's it. So, should be, oh yeah, I'm going to put this, I'm going to put the, the Wi-Fi and the USB board back, just to keep it safe. That goes here. That's it. I believe that can go there, like that. It's not going to stop anything else coming back. So I can put that back just to keep it safe. Where are we? Yeah, let's go in the corner. That's it. I was going to put, I think I put that back just for now. So, just like that. The same problem on the last one. That's it. Not quite. Not bad. This goes in like that. That's it. Just bend that back down. Yep. I'll just put this back for safekeeping. That's 2 screws, 2 little screws there. Just putting that back. And this one here. There we go. So that's it. I'm just putting that back for safekeeping. There's a screw that goes in. I'll put that back as well. Just a little hard disk screw that goes in there. Just a little hard disk screw that goes in there. That's it. So that's it. That's the substructure put back together. There's a cover that goes on there. I've got that here. So that's how I put this. This is obviously I'm going to take the hard disk out again when I put the motherboard back in. But this is cleaned up, ready for the motherboard to go back into it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Any questions? Oh yeah, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.